Good afternoon all. I am Dr. Vinay Pandit, Deputy Registrar, Sardar Patel University. Today I am going to tell you about our new exam portal where we have created the student login, the principal login, the clerk login. Now here first in this video I am going to tell you about how the principal can create the teacher login ID. For that, what you have to do is you have to first visit our official website spumandi.ac.in. Once you have visit our website, you can click on this SPU exam portal. Once you will click on this, you can see this particular screen. Okay, now directly also you can come to this particular screen by using spumandi.exam.in as an ID. Now, once you have come to this particular screen, you can see here home, you can see here student login, you can see here institution authority login. Now, inside the institution authority login, you have to click. Once you will click, you will get this kind of screen where email ID and password. Here, you are going to use the principal's credential. Whatever the principal credentials we have issued to your institution, you can use the same by using the same email ID and same password, and then you can log in inside. Now suppose if you don't know your login credentials, principal login credentials, you can always WhatsApp me. I can send you your login credentials. Okay, now next, once I have taken example of one college, that is Government College Chamba. Through that I will tell you how we can create the teacher login. Now once this screen have come, now you have to enter the email ID. You have entered the email ID over here. Then you have to enter the password. Once you have entered the password, you can go to the login and get inside. Now once you have entered inside this, you will get the screen like this, Government College Chamba. Here you can have home, teacher registration, exam form approval, exam form details, IA approval, attendance sheet, change password and sign out. You can always change your password as per your desire. Okay. Now first I am going to tell you about teacher registration. Now here once you will click on teacher registration, this kind of screen will come. Here the college name is written, then course name is written. Course you can select, suppose MA English or whatever. Suppose I have taken MA English. Now here I am going to select CBCS, the scheme, and then I am going to select the semester 2. Now afterwards I am going to select the name, subject name. Suppose the person is teaching romantic and Victorian poetry. The teacher name. Now here the teacher name of that particular teacher only you should add, who is teaching that particular subject and who is responsible to enter the IA marks for that particular subject. Suppose I am putting XYZ. Now you are going to put the email of that particular teacher. Suppose I put any email, and then I am going to put the phone number. Okay, and once you have entered this, you can create the login. See here the login has been created, XYZ. Okay, now to the same email ID, the person's login ID plus the password has been sent to his registered email which he has registered by the principal. Now that same email will go to the respective teacher. By using the same credentials which has been sent to the email, he can log in inside and can do the IA marks entry. Now for that I will make separate video for that. Okay, now here this is how you can create the teacher registration. Now once you have created the teacher registration, suppose the teacher has entered all the marks, everything, and for the next year the person has been changed. So you can enable this, you can disable this ID so that nobody can use this particular ID once again. Or if the same teacher is teaching, you can activate it again. So this feature is also has been added in this particular software. Now this is about the teacher registration, how the teacher registration be done by the principal of the college. Now the next is exam form approval. Please don't click on this. This we have not activated so far. Exam form details, this you can check out once all the IA has been added. Once, because जब सभी टीचर्स अपनी IA डाल देंगे उसके बाद ही आपको रिपोर्ट आएगी यहाँ पे, और आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं रिपोर्ट जब सभी टीचर्स ने अपनी IA डाल दी है, तभी आपने कर सकते हैं। सिमिलरली IA अप्रूवल है, IA अप्रूवल में भी once suppose this is Government College Chamba, course name is again MA English, subject name is या scheme name is CBCS. Now semester is second semester, and here the session marks means suppose IA or practical. Suppose I put on IA and then I will search candidate. Since nobody has added any IA so far, so this has not been reflected. So nothing has been reflected over here because no teacher has added the IA so far. मैं यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट क्लियर करना चाहूंगा, जब टीचर अपनी IA भर देगा तब ही बच्चा अपना एडमिट कार्ड डाउनलोड कर सकता है। अदरवाइज वो जब तक टीचर IA नहीं डालेगा बच्चा अपना एडमिट कार्ड डाउनलोड नहीं कर सकता। और तब तक यहाँ पे भी आपके पोर्टल पे भी सबकी लिस्ट नजर नहीं आएगी, उस कैंडिडेट का नाम नजर नहीं आएगा। जब टीचर फाइनल सबमिट कर देगा अपने पोर्टल से, तब आपके पोर्टल में वो सारे मार्क्स नजर आएंगे, और आप उसमें अभी भी कुछ अगर मान लो टीचर से गलती हो गई है मार्क्स एंटर करने में, तो आप यहाँ पे उसको रिएक्टिफाई कर सकते हैं। पर वंस आपने उसको फाइनल सबमिट कर दिया, उसके बाद कोई भी रिएक्टिफिकेशन आपकी तरफ से या टीचर की तरफ से नहीं हो सकती, अनलेस यू विल राइट टू द यूनिवर्सिटी, और उसके लिए आपको पेनल्टी भी पड़ सकती है। तो जब आप अपने IA अपलोड करवाएं फाइनल, वो एक बार डबल चेक कर लें कि कैसे करना है। तो जब आप IA अपलोड फाइनल सबमिट करेंगे प्रिंसिपल पोर्टल से, उससे पहले वो आपसे पूछेगा कि डाउनलोड द PDF। वो जो IA भरी होगी उसको पहले वो डाउनलोड करवाएगा आपसे, और उस पे सिग्नेचर लेगा आपसे, और उस PDF को आपको फिर से अपलोड करना पड़ेगा, फिर ही वो सबमिट होगी फाइनल, वो तभी आपके पोर्टल से सबमिट होगी। तो मिस्टेक के बहुत कम चांसेस हमने उसको मिनिमाइज करने के लिए सब किया है। सो होपफुली आप लोग ये क्रिएशन शुरू कर देंगे, और IA मार्क्स हम आपको टाइम देंगे 25 से लेके 28 जुलाई तक। आपने सभी बच्चों के IA भरने हैं जो कि PG सेमेस्टर्स में जा रहे हैं। ओनली जो अभी अगस्त में हमारे एग्जामिनेशन होने हैं PG के, और BBA, BCA, BPEd और B.Ed की, उन्हीं के लिए आप इंटरनल असेसमेंट इन पोर्टल्स पे चढ़ाएंगे। धन्यवाद। मोर क्लैरिफिकेशन के लिए आप मुझे कभी भी व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद।